Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a website in minutes with Wix AI Website Builder. So first of all you have to do is go to wix.com and go to the website, and from here you have to click on create a new site. A new tab will open. It will ask you to bring your ideas to life with AI. So you have to select start chat. First tell me what your site is all about. I will tell it it's about selling sneakers. Once I've told it, I will click on send button. It is asking for the sneaker business name. I will tell it the name and click on send. It is asking me, can you tell me more about the type of sneakers you sell? I will tell it they're refurbished and secondhand. I will click on send. Do you have any specific additional goals for your website? For example, do you want to showcase customer testimonials, integrate a blog, or offer a subscription service? I will simply tell it no. What is the location of your sneaker business? I will tell it my country. How long has your sneaker business been around? Around 1 year. You're all set. Next, let's go to your personalized dashboard where you'll find tailor-made setup steps to get online faster, the best template selection to fit your needs, customized text and images generated just for your site. I will click on go to dashboard. It is asking me to connect my domain. I will connect my domain, or I will skip this step. You can add your first product, you can set up shipping and delivery, set up your payment methods and design your own website. I will just select design website. I will simply select on generate a design with AI. So this is the first look into my new website. Step into style. New arrival section, about brand reboot, follow us button, stay connected, enter your email address, and if you like the design, you can simply click on continue with this design, or you can just click on tweak design, or you can also select regenerate design. If you like a dark background, you can also tweak it by clicking tweak design. I will simply continue with this design as I like it. I will click on set up your business. Now it's preparing my site. Now you can review your generated product, set up shipping and delivery, set up your payment methods, and get found on Google for better SEO. So that's how you can design your new website in minutes with Wix AI Website Builder. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.